Penso, joga, ginga, roda. Vera's face burned as a memory of bedroom fun with a lighter and some hairspray. Smoking in the girls' room, not worse than Shelley's rape behind the McDonald's by a man she thought was fine. Didn't tell anybody, or maybe back then we just thought that she was getting some. Now we look back and see that she didn't know how. We never thought that we'd get caught up, stuck in the teenage ways as we explore. As we explode, then getting drunk in the bushes by the road outside the Kmart, rolling around in them to see if you would get trickled. Slip the acid on your tongue, rooftop mall party. We couldn't get enough, then count the stars in the 10 million rows, just you and the universe judging each other. We never knew that we'd get caught up, stuck in the teenage ways as we explode. As we explode. As we explode. As we let go. Yeah. Penso,